If you've ever needed to move a ClickUp space from one workspace to another, whether you're reorganizing, collaborating across teams, or even just setting up a fresh workflow, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. By the end, you'll know how to save your favorite space as a template, share it easily, and access it in any workspace you want, including another ClickUp account or team. Let's jump right in. First, start by heading over to your ClickUp account and make sure you're in the workspace that currently holds the space you want to move. Just a quick reminder, a space in ClickUp is a major section, kind of like a department or a big sorted folder, and moving it can open up a lot more flexibility if your organization is growing or shifting. Next, look for the space you need to transfer. You'll see all your spaces listed down the sidebar. These are basically your main hubs for projects, processes, clients, or anything else important. Take a moment to double-check you're in the right space, since we're about to package everything inside as a shareable template. Once you've located the correct space, look to the top or right side, depending on your view. Not all interfaces are laid out exactly the same, but you're looking for those three little dots. The More Options menu, go ahead and click those dots. A menu will pop up with several functions, and what you want to select is Template. This is where ClickUp lets you save your current space's configuration, tasks, lists, and even views as a reusable template. Now click Save as Template. This step might take a moment while ClickUp gathers all the data from your space, so if you have a space that's packed with subtasks and lists, it's normal for it to spin for a bit. Don't worry if it's not instant, this part is making sure you keep all the details safe. You'll now be prompted to name your new template, and here's a tip, give it a clear, descriptive name, especially if you plan to share or reuse it later. Something like 2025 Marketing Space or HR Onboarding Workflow, so you or your teammates instantly know what's inside and you avoid confusion down the line. For the next step, make sure to enable public sharing. This is a crucial detail. Without it, your template will stay locked to your current workspace. By turning on public sharing, you create a link that anyone you send it to can open, copy to their own workspace, and start using. Just check the box and then hit Save Template. ClickUp will notify you once everything's successfully saved. It might just pop up as a little confirmation message. Now comes the magic. Open your template and you'll find a shareable link. This is your golden ticket for moving the space. You can send the URL to yourself, a colleague, or even drop it into a team chat or email. It works across social media, Slack, or anywhere you can paste a link. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You've just packaged up your ClickUp space as a template and made it portable for any workspace without any messy imports or risky manual copying. Whether you're standardizing processes across departments or just want a backup of your essential workflows, this is a simple, reliable way to keep your ClickUp life organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more step-by-step guides just like this. Any questions at all or ideas for future ClickUp walkthroughs, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and good luck moving your spaces.